Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ncell data packages. We'll cover everything you need to know to get connected and stay online. Whether you're a new Ncell user or just looking for a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. We'll go over activating your package, checking your balance, and even share some handy tips to make your data last longer. Get ready to make the most of your Ncell experience with these simple steps. Activating your Ncell data package is straightforward. First, open your phone's dialer and enter the designated UST code, which is typically *17123#. This will bring up a menu of all the available data packages. Browse through the options and choose the one that best suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, simply confirm your purchase, and your new data package will be activated almost instantly. You'll usually receive an SMS confirmation shortly after. Keeping track of your data usage is crucial to avoid running out unexpectedly. There are a couple of easy ways to do this. You can dial a specific UST code, usually *17123#, and select the option to check your data balance. Alternatively, for a more detailed breakdown, download and use the official Ncell app. It provides a comprehensive overview of your remaining data, validity, and even usage history. Plus, Ncell often sends helpful SMS notifications about your data consumption. To make your Ncell data package last longer, consider these helpful tips. Regularly check which applications are using data in the background and restrict them if necessary. Whenever you have access to a Wi-Fi network, connect to it for browsing, downloading, and streaming, as this will significantly reduce your mobile data consumption. Also, when watching videos online, try adjusting the streaming quality to a lower resolution. These small adjustments can help you get the most out of your data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.